name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about wormholes. So I made a presentation about this Google slide about wormholes, okay? I hope you like this, and let's get it. Wormholes. What is a wormhole? Okay, so what's a wormhole basically? A wormhole is a hypothetical structure which connects and disparates points in space-time. Here's some more information about wormholes. Wormholes are based on a special solution of the Einstein's field equations. Specifically, they are a transitional bijection of the space-time continuum of asymptotic projection of the Calabi manifold, manifesting itself in anti-de Sitter space. Okay? So they're based on this solution, which was first found by Einstein and Calabi, which I call him. Okay? And they use this kind of equation to solve for the wormholes. Anyways, okay, we can go to the next one. Oh, what was I doing? How does a wormhole form? When two massive objects are placed in a parallel universes and the gravitational attractions between them deforms the universe. So let's say these two massive we have two massive objects they're placed in a parallel universe like this. Now the gravitational attraction between them deforms the universe to make this wormhole. So how do they form? Gravitational attraction. The gravitational attraction between two massive objects in parallel universes deforms the universes, which we just said. Brain tension. The resistance from the brain tension competes with the gravitational attraction. So with this gravitation, the brain tension also competes with that gravitational attraction. Now the object mass, more massive and compact objects are more likely to form a wormhole. Meaning that the more massive this object is, it's more likely to form a wormhole. When was the first black hole found? Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen first proposed the existence of wormholes in 1935. They described them as bridges because they're like bridges that connect two points in space-time. These bridges are known as Einstein-Rosen bridges or wormholes, we call them. Explanation. Einstein and Rosen's paper was part of their attempt to unify electromagnetism and relativity. They were trying to avoid singularities, which are points of mathematical quantities become infinite. They imagined that a path radially inward and matched to another track that emerges outward. They added another electromagnetic field to their solution. History of this idea. The idea of wormholes was first theorized in 1916 by an Australian physicist, Ludwig Flam. Flam described a white hole, which is a theoretical time reverse of a black hole. So it's basically opposite of black hole. Whatever you throw in, especially yourself, it comes back out. So that's basically the opposite of a black hole. He realized that entrances to both black and white holes can be connected by a space-time conduct. So meaning how is this wormhole formed? Meaning that this wormhole on the outside was this black hole. Then inside here was this white hole too. Then when they combined it together, it formed this wormhole. Wormholes in mainstream science. Wormholes are not accepted in mainstream science. However, newer research suggests that they could arise and process may be easier than physics have long thought. Anyways, cool. Wormhole? Okay, facts about wormholes. Wormholes create a shortcut between two different points, which should result in a significant decrease in time and distance. There, there are different kinds of wormholes, such as travel wormholes, which could theoretically allow for travel, non-travel several wormholes, which can be passed to their insolubility. To keep a wormhole open, scientists theorize the need for exhaustic matter with negative energy density, which has yet to be discovered or understood. Some theories suggest that wormholes could be potentially allow for time travel, creating paths to different points in time as well as space. Okay? Yeah. The end. Bye. I hope you like that. Okay? So thank you everyone for listening about my presentation of wormholes. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye.